Bond market, a comprehensive guide. The bond market is a fundamental pillar of global finance, enabling governments and corporations to raise capital without solely relying on the equity market. Through the issuance of diverse bonds, these entities access funds from investors worldwide, shaping the intricate tapestry of the global economy. Distinguished by its unique correlation with other asset classes such as stocks and currencies, the bond market offers a powerful tool for diversification. In times of market volatility, the bond market often sees increased demand, propelling bond prices upward, acting as a reliable hedge against the inherent risks of equity investments. With its sheer magnitude, the bond market stands as one of the largest financial markets globally, providing a broad spectrum of bond options tailored to diverse risk appetites and investment horizons, empowering investors to craft portfolios aligned with their unique preferences and objectives. In the bond market, how much people like bonds depends on interest rates. When interest rates go up or down, it affects which bonds are attractive. This balance between old and new bonds is important for investors and traders to understand. Ever wonder why bond prices and interest rates seem to move in opposite directions? It's simple, they're usually playing a game of seesaw. When one goes up, the other tends to go down. For traders, keeping an eye on where interest rates might be heading is key. If they predict that a country's inflation is going to skyrocket and the central bank might hike up interest rates, it's likely that bond prices will take a dip. At Poo Prime, you can trade a wide range of government bonds at unrivaled trading conditions. Let's explore why government bonds have garnered significant attention in the realm of investment opportunities. Renowned for their relative stability, government bonds offer a straightforward analysis process, primarily centered on evaluating the economic outlook of the issuing country. Yet, their movements remain intricately entwined with broader economic factors and central bank policies, making them an appealing choice for investors with a keen understanding of market dynamics. Bond CFD product that Poo Prime offer. In summary, the bond market stands as a critical pillar within the global financial system, facilitating the vital process of capital acquisition for governments and corporations alike. Understanding the intricate relationship between interest rates and bond prices is paramount, forming the cornerstone of the dynamic bond market landscape. While government bonds offer simplicity in analysis, their performance is significantly influenced by broader economic trends and interest rate shifts, making them an attractive avenue for astute investors capable of accurately anticipating these movements.